Hello, kindergartners. It's Friday. And we have a math lesson on telling time to the half hour, or you say the number and then 30. And that's when the big arrow is pointing down. So let me do a quick review with our good friend Judy Clock. The little guy, or the hour hand, points to the hour. There's 1. When the big hand hits the 6, wait how about and you say 1:30, because it's 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes, halfway to our next hour. And then it's going to move, see it go past it, then it hits 2 o'clock, goes all the way down, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and now it's 2:30. Then we go around for the other 30 minutes, and now it's 3 o'clock. Then we go around 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and now it's 3:30. Okay, so here's what I want to do. You're going to have the digital, and I changed up a few of the numbers, and you're going to draw the hands and do the analog. So if it says 3:30, you do the little guy on 3 and the big one on the 6. 1:30, little guy on the 1 and the big one on the 6. 2:30, little hand on the 2, big one on the 6. 9:30, little hand on the 9, big one on the 6. 4:30, little one on the 4, big one on the 6. And I have 11:30, little guy on the 11 and big one on the 6. So here they are: 3:30, 1:30, 2:30, 9:30, 4:30, and 11:30. Okay. Also, if you want to have extra fun and have a super hard challenge to know your game too late, well, you can add some cards with the 30s. So mom and dad can help you, and with paper you can add, they don't have one you can print. So if you want to use your printed one, you have to cut out paper the same size, okay? If you have homemade ones, you just write 9:30, 10:30, put a bunch, you don't have to do them all. And you can do some digital like that, and you can do some, here's 1:30 in analog. Little guy to the 1, big one to the 6. And then if you have the homemade ones, we have also, the go again and the too late. That's why it's called too late. Lose a turn. I love that several of you sent me a video and said, I won by 2, I lost by 1. It was so much fun. Okay? And then you mix them all up and you can put the hour ones with it. Wouldn't that be fun? And then you pull it out and you read the time. If you get it right, you keep it. If you get it wrong, you put it underneath. So let's say it's my turn. I have this. I would say 9:30. And it's right, so I get to keep it. And then let's say you get to go and it says, oh, too late, lose a turn. And then it's my time and I say, oh, little hand on the 1, big hand on the 6, 1:30. And see, and then you would get maybe go again. You could go twice. And if you want to add all of the half hour is when it's pointing to the 6 and it's halfway to the new hour, you can add them. And again, if you are lucky enough to have a printer, I don't have one, and you have the printed ones, just cut out papers the same size. So here's your challenge. I want you to draw analog hands and or too late with the half hour. Okay, and that's what you need to know this year before first grade. It's the hour and the half hour. And you'll be learning more next year. So practice, practice, practice. So your first grade teacher says, yeah, you got it. Have an awesome, super fantastic weekend. And if you look at the clock and you catch it on the hour, and it's like 2 o'clock, or you catch it on the half hour and it's like 8:30, make sure you tell your grown-up. They'll be so, so impressed. Bye, guys.